Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to An Auto Addiction. Got my helper here. We're gonna take the train horns down today. Like I said, I need a new compressor and they've just been kind of hanging down. You're my helper? Okay. She's my helper.
I'm his dad when I'm helping him because I like God.
Alright, I want to grab those towels over there on my seat. The big ones. So little boss lady girl's gonna help me out today. Need to get my spare tire tool right here. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're underneath here. So I bought the train horn rear tire delete from Hornblasters. Makes it pretty sweet. Makes it easy to take in and out. Just gotta unhook the ground, and I got a power wire ran to a switch, so then I just have to undo the power wire right here and cap it off. And I put down some towels so that way when I lower it down it doesn't scratch up these horns because they're just plastic. But as you can see from the horns being underneath the vehicle, they're pretty dirty, so we're gonna clean them up while they're off the car too. So stay tuned. Alright guys, got that undone. Gotta get a pair of dikes, cut the zip tie right there. And then I'll lower this down the rest of the way.
And his little helper.
Alright, I got my helper. You hear me with the cutters?
Yeah, just let me come down. I'm ready.
She's on her homemade creeper skateboard.
Oh my gosh, this is hard. And this,
Need to scoot your butt forward so that way you can roll back more. You're a hilarious kid. She has all her tools on the front. Scoot your butt forward so that way when you lean back it doesn't pop the skateboard up. I think that's more of like an ab workout. Got the cutters?
Yeah. Jeez, I can see all of it. Ah! That's freaking me out. I'm gonna go.
Alright guys, so got the wires cut for it, my ground disconnected. Take that out and then we'll lower this bad boy down. What you doing, lowering it down?
Yeah.
You gotta turn this up.
I'll do it. I got it. You can go under there.
Alright guys, so as you can see, it comes down real easy. This is the pump right here that I gotta rebuild it or replace it. It's just not pumping out anything, so gotta get rid of that. Alright, just gotta get this thing disconnected.
Use this. Hey, Dad.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome. Do whatever you need something. Tell me because I will have everything you need. I think you might
Feed
be
that up through there. Alright, now turn it the other way. Yep. Keep going. This bracket comes with extensions right here, but I took them off because my spare tire thing's so close. Some guys take this whole bracket off and then let it sit up closer to the body. I didn't realize how long it was going to hang down. So that's one thing I would suggest if you guys are putting train horns, is measure how much room you got from your spare tire to the bumper. Like I said, I took my things off and it still hangs down pretty low to the differential. You know, I don't know if I'll keep this in the long run or if I'll switch it out. And that's good, baby.
Okay.
And then switch it out and just mount my train horns on like a sheet and then run my compressor inside, so that way it's not out in the elements. I think I might do that. Just run the compressor in the back back of the van, since I got tons of room inside. So I think I might get rid of one of these cubbies and then run a wire down to the horns, and that way the compressor stays inside, stays in the AC, you know, when it's running, keeps it cool. So alright guys, well that's the removal of my train horns. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Hornblasters, I saw them at that show. They're pretty cool guys. Like I said, they ship locally here in Florida, so if you guys are looking for stuff, man, give a shout out to Hornblasters. Their spare tire delete kit is awesome. See on my tank I wrote van life, but I didn't know that you weren't going to be able to see it, so it's kind of cool though. And I'm also thinking about painting the inside of my horns white too. I painted the outsides of them all white, so let me know what you think about that. And I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and decide what I'm gonna do on the compressor, see if I can mess with it and get it to pump again so I can get that tank filled up, and we'll go from there, you know. Or if you guys think I should just take the train horns off, comment below if you like the train horns. So they're pretty loud, they're pretty fun. So you think you like the train horns?
No.
No? They scare you?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna clean up the train horns and stuff, and then just want to do a video of taking that stuff down. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Hey, you think they should subscribe to the channel?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell them.
Subscribe to the channel, and I hope you like this video. Bye.
Alright guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Got my little helper. She's the woman. She's our youngest and she's the princess, so she likes to help her dad out when she can. But there's my train horn kit. You guys have a great night. See you guys in the next video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.